Hello and welcome back to the channel. I just want to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for rocking with me, and I want to share in this journey. And thank you my OGs, my regulars. Thank you. Well, you will see it will be a short video, nothing happening this week, but please like, comment, share and subscribe. I will wait. Thank you. You will see this celery is we're using that lettuce. Yes, we harvest it, but my mother did not pull up the root and it's just growing back. But I think I'm still going to pull it out. I don't know, that might taste bitter. Right there, parsley, you can see a lot was used and is growing back. These are there, as you see, some were harvested and black, and it's growing back. So that's what happened to this part. Now we are going to the next part. Also soon I will do a recording of my short journey, including the plants and everything. So I don't know if it will be a sit down so that you can see what I'm doing, gardening or anything at home because of my strokes. Wow, look at this pot. Does it look different? Of course. Everything failed. It just didn't make any sense. As we cannot understand what's going on in the pot, let's go to the word that will make all the sense to us. 1 Peter 2:2. As newborn babes, desire the sincere milk of the word, that ye may grow thereby. As plants grow, you know they need the sun and water to grow, to flourish, to produce. As we humans, we need the word of the Lord, His direction, His care, His comfort, His chastisement, so that we can grow to be flourishing witnesses for Him. So I will look for a different plant, a vegetable to grow in this pot. As I said, I want to buy 2 smaller pots for each window so that I could buy flower seeds. Just waiting on some funds to do that, and we will see how that goes. I will hope that it will happen this week. Then I can record and you can see the next adventure. But I will put this pot on the community tab and you will decide which new veggie will be growing in this pot. That's all for this week. As I told you, it will be short, so encourage someone else who have a disability or a limitation, find a hobby and just do it, work on it, and you will see how happy you will be because you have started that hobby. You will become an expert because you're taking your hobby seriously. So have a wonderful day. Till next time. Bye bye.